Why settle for a mediocre stock in a poorly performing sector when you could invest in the cream of the crop within a top performing sector? Focusing on the leading sectors and industry groups will increase your chances of success. If you're looking for stock ideas, it's essential to start by figuring out which sectors and industry groups are currently leading the market. That's because the best performing stocks almost always come from leading sectors and industry groups, and this is no coincidence. Our research shows that 37% of a leading stock's price movement is directly tied to the performance of the stock's industry group. Another 12% is due to the strength of the overall sector, where a sector in this case is a collection of related industry groups. Overall, this means nearly half of a leading stock's price performance is linked to its industry and its sector. We at MarketSmith are dedicated to empower investors with the necessary tools to navigate the stock market. Our 197 industry groups and a comprehensive ranking system is one such tool. Once you are on the idea list page, you can click on the 197 industry groups under Markets section. This list contains all the active industry groups with the number of stocks in the group and total market capitalization of the industry. You can see the current group rank of a particular industry and compare that with the 3 months, 6 months, and year-to-date group rank. You can easily see which are the industry groups showing rise in the group rank. Remember, a group rank of 1 is the best and a rank of 197 is the worst. It is important to note that there are some specialized industry groups with a very small number of stocks and small market capitalization. So, the biggest liquid stock in the group may account most of the industry performance in those industries. You may want to treat them differently. Clicking on the industry group name will take you to a chart of the industry group showing the price action of all the included stocks. This is helpful for visualizing longer-term trends in groups, since it tends to smooth out the performance of outliers on both the upside and the downside. You can also see all the stocks in that group by clicking on Stocks tab. This can be a good weekend routine for you to go through all the industry groups and see which are the groups raising in rank and what are the leading stocks in those groups. If you wish to look at the top performing sectors, you can do that by clicking on the key indices list. This list contains all the major market indices and enables you to quickly find out how they are doing in different time frames.